It is currently 8:18 a.m. So I captured Landivar of Upland Police stalking, engaging in criminal summoning during the 8 a.m. hour. This is documenting the people of the state. They are one entity. When I'm walking out of this same library entrance doors right here, and the fake sun is in alignment to me like it is now, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 hours from now, as you are looking at the same library. That's non-movement, by the way, of what is necessarily a fake sun, the evidence of surveillance. And where you are seeing evidence of surveillance is where the government is located. A city library is the operations of the city government, the local government, the state, the city of Upland, where the city hall, Upland City Hall, and those inside of that facilitating venue, because the pattern of conduct is hereby established. That is exposing what you are under the law, where gang violence, surveillance, and furtherance of murder is underway by the government itself in concert with the population. Public corruption is what Bill Velto, as a domestic terrorist and facilitating terrorism, a terrorist leader, is what you are aware of when it's legally relevant where I'm documenting this. And the entities engaging in this while they are monitoring, that is engaging in criminal surveillance on devices. It's an unlawful search. It's federal stalking under Title 18, Section 22618, subsections 1 and 2. They're engaged in surveillance in the bathrooms of the venues. When what's happening here is happening everywhere. As I've shown you, a fake sun remains over me, which is evidence of an entity stalking. That's not coincidentally accessing a white van in my path. That's gang stalking, and that's a demon. It's also a corporate entity, the government that acts through companies that are engaging in surveillance. The basis to prosecute companies like Amazon Prime, okay? This is the P.O.C, and this is psychopathic behavior while a population is engaged in focusing on stalking you in the path. They're doing that on the roads and the highways. The entity that does that is the one that's losing the privilege given by the state to be on the roads and the highways, where they commit murder under the fake sun, where they're not engaged in law enforcement, but California Highway Patrol, where they're sharing in the means of surveillance, where they're targeting a whole other person through the creation of a car accident, which is also speaking to the fraud that is underway through the insurance system, okay? This is the P.O.C. The fake sun that is over me right now at 8:20 a.m. is not remaining in Ontario, contrary to what I'm documenting when I am remaining in the city of Ontario, which is merely one example, because I've gone throughout Southern California and into the state of Nevada showing this pattern of conduct underscored with the fake sun documentation, which is proof of surveillance. Meaning, this is no ordinary criminal conduct. This is not ordinary public corruption. It's that which a government is engaging in with a population, and it is state to state. Okay, the entity is engaging in what is public corruption. You're not remaining in office, and I don't have to talk to the mayor to prosecute him. I can prosecute him while the people of the state are at the mayor's the mayor's office, or the city hall, if you will, where the city council is present and the criminal pattern of conduct is underway. Do not forget, this is where the city of Upland is engaged in gang stalking by San Bernardino County Fire Department, by the Upland Police Department, stalking defined and recognized under the law by helicopter, where this fake sun is still here 10 hours later. This is where the population is engaged in the perpetual sex offense, which is sexually motivated acts of terrorism and furtherance of murder and psychological torture. The entities engaging in surveillance in the bathrooms inside of the government facilitating venue of the Upland Public Library, of the Upland City Hall, and everywhere else in Upland where there are no private properties. The government's maintaining surveillance. This is P.O.C, and this is an entity that shall be subject to martial law. The city of Upland committed kidnapping in 2022. This is P.O.C, and the city of Upland is still engaging in surveillance. This is mental illness. This is obsession. This is an ongoing determination to continue stalking, even while they just turn their back to you. They refuse to stop engaging in it, and that is terrorism as well. While you are levying war, the federal government is going to respond, and it includes martial law. It's mandated. This is P.O.C. It is currently 8:22 a.m.